Okay, and this is the entrance to the Hilton. So security asks you what you're doing here. Alright, now this is a massive complex. I don't know how, I'll have to look up online how big, how many hectares these places are, but they're absolutely massive. Now these resorts are that big, there's like little golf buggies like this that take you around everywhere. So we've got to try and contact her brother now and find out what room he's in. Wow, check this out. Straight on the ocean front. Looks like you've got security check here. Hey, Barry. Yeah, it's Yuli's brother. Might have seen him in another video long ago. Wow, this is one big joint. Let's have a look at the ocean view from here. Yeah, very nice, look at this. Straight on the ocean front. So this is the check-in lobby. And this is, I don't know what it is. Look, I think this is just a waiting room for when you're checking in and out. Alright. Kempinski, look at the size of that resort over there. It's just absolutely huge. It looks pretty old, this actually. The buildings are pretty old, but I'm sure it's supposed to be 5-star. Oh wow, look at it. Yeah, it looks like an old building, so it's been here a while. We'll see what the rooms are like inside. And look at this, there's a massive construction site going on next door here. I don't know whether that's part of the Hilton too, or what. Check that out for a view. You've got the giant pool downstairs there. And that's one big project. They look like all separate little bungalows and stuff they're building at the back. So on the 3rd floor, are we? Or the 5th floor? Okay, so these are the rooms. It's got a bathtub, nice bedroom. Oh, it's very similar to the one we stayed in Malaysia. It's got a big bed. Oh, I got a veranda right on the front, next to the building site. Alright, oh yeah, got the pool down here. A little lagoon pool. Very nice. Berapa juta satu malam ini?
Tidak tahu, gratis.
Gratis. Oh, they get a free room through the Doctors Association or something. The doctors are paying for it. 3 nights free. Yuli's brother here, he's a lawyer and his wife's a doctor, and she travels all over the world actually, doing conferences and stuff. And she's here for a conference down from Sulawesi and gets this free for 3 nights. Very nice. Bisa makanan juga gratis? Whoa, free food as well.
Breakfast, lunch and dinner.
All right, good stuff. Right. Very nice. Yeah, so what bag you got on today? So all the girls don't ask. The Coach, exclusive Coach bag.
Coach Terry.
It's got one every colour to match every outfit. Anyway, we're down at the beach level, I think. And we're just going to have a quick look. Yuli's brother's gone to pray. And we're just going to have a quick look and then get back on the bike and head out. Very nice down here. It is an old building, but the rooms are nice. I don't know whether it's really 5-star, but probably 5-star service and everything like that. The rooms, to me, just look like a basic, normal room. Really, nothing special. Oh, look at the pool. They've actually got sand in here, so it's like a beach at the sand. Sandy little beach at the pool. How good's that? I suppose you can walk down here right to the ocean somewhere. Yeah, you got table tennis tables. Wonder how much these rooms are right at the bottom near the pool. It'll be a few $100s a night here for sure. I'll look it up on Travelacre and see what the prices are. So I suppose people who come on holiday at a place like this, they just sort of never leave the resort. You've got everything you need here, pools, beach, good food, bars. Yeah, this is the beach. Looks like they've got a few. It doesn't look that old, this break wall. Look fairly new, these break walls. So, yeah. I suppose they were in big swells that'd be coming right over here, so they put in the break walls. Very nice. Got the southwest trade winds coming straight in here, so it's nice and cool, yeah.
Not really.
Me myself, I'm not really one for big resorts at all. There's too many people hanging around the pool and things like that. I like quiet and off the beaten track type sort of thing. But anyway, it'd be nice staying here, I suppose. Got pools right in front of the rooms. Okay, on Travelacca, here's the Hilton Nusa-Dua. Rooms start at $3,280,000, about $300 it starts at. Okay, so this is Yuli's sister-in-law, the doctor. Alright, so that was a good little look around the Hilton. How the other half live, I suppose you'd say. But anyway, yeah. We're going to get on the bike, maybe go get some lunch, something to eat. But it's way past lunchtime, I think, already, I'm not sure. But I might do that. We'll have a look around in Nusa-Dua, maybe. So she's here for, what is it, a Medical Robotics Academy. Doing a conference with people, doctors from all over the world, yeah? The Robotics Academy. With medical robotics these days. Yeah. Oh, so it looks like a little wine bar there. A little coffee shop, another coffee shop restaurant on the front. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to get back on the bike, hit the road. That's it, bye-bye the Hilton. It's an old resort, but it's nice, I suppose, but yeah, the room just seemed pretty average to me, normal. So we're going to stop here, get a gelato at Massimo. Rum and raisin sounds right. What's that? What's the green one?
Pistachio.
I'll just get a pistachio, eh?
Oh, yaudah. Pakai cup aja.
Thanks, bro. Kita bayar, kan? Huh? Well, so Massimo's here, a lot more expensive than the Nusa-Dua price. The one we go to, Jalan Kudarai, you get 2 scoops for 25, and this is 55. So the boys that are working here give us the ice cream. He's down here by the tree having shots of arak with his mate while he's working, drinking arak. Oh, they got a bottle, look. Oh, too strong for me. Oh, no. Oh, okay. It's fairly busy out here. There's a lot of traffic anyway. It's very nice out here. It's been a while since we've been out here, and it's definitely a lot more busy than usual. And changed. So many new things. Everywhere you go, it's just new all the time. There's a lot of locals around looking for tours and things like that, and there's a lot of little restaurants, but this time of day, I suppose most of the people are in the big resorts and not hanging on the street, you know. So everywhere you look, there's construction going on. It's just everywhere, eh? And there's some big resorts getting built too. That's about it from Nusa-Dua. If you go straight through here, it goes to Tanjung Benoa. And if you go right, it goes into Nusa-Dua. Back on the toll bridge again. Toll bridge finish, 4 kilometres. What's that? We're home. Alright. What you doing, Liz? What are you doing? Good to go over that toll bridge. Not a bad ride, actually. Anyway, we're home, and that's about it for this video. You know the drill, thumbs up, all that. See you on the next one. What do you reckon, Liz?